Morning everyone. My name is Jia Gupta. I study in class 11th F. My science project is organic homemade seed paper. These seed papers are 100% organic and can be used to grow fruits and vegetables at home. These are made by old newspapers and papers at home. I recycle them and made these papers. First step is we will tear the old newspapers or papers into small pieces, and then in a home grinder we will make the pulp of paper. After that we will take clear water and put some pulp and mix it over. After that in a home sieve we will sieve the paper like shown in the picture. After sieving we will take a cotton cloth and then we will take out extra water by pressing that paper in the siever only. Then we will put the paper into a clear cloth and left it to dry. After that we will take some of the seeds from any of the vegetables or fruits. I took here lemon seeds. Then we will place the lemon seeds and fold the paper wisely. Then we will keep it for some time to dry. After that our paper are ready and we can keep those papers in a plant so that our fruits or vegetables can grow. I also used the peels of vegetables and fruits here. Also, we don't need to buy any kind of seeds from the market. We can use these seeds taken from our home. I used lemon and cherry seed in the papers. Now we can grow these papers in the soil and it gives 100% result. These seed papers are very useful for home farming, the people who love to gardening at their home. And in the time of lockdown, many people can try this method to grow fruits and vegetables easily at their home. Now I have cut that single paper into 4 strips because I have taken 4 seeds of lemon and 1 seed of cherry. We can take as many as seeds we want in a single paper and then cut it into strips, and one strip is better for one plant to grow. We can use only one strip to grow a plant. Also this paper is very thick in texture, so it is very useful for soil. So instead of plastic, we can use these papers to grow fruits and vegetables at home. We can recycle them very easily, and also this is very eco-friendly to our environment. We all should not use plastic to grow our plants. Either we can use these natural homemade papers to grow. And the most important point is it is very cost effective as not a single rupee is spent to make these papers. Thank you.